Will this sound different? Or will it sound the same? Have you caught on? Do you know my name? Do you know how I speak? Do you know how I play? Do you know me inside out? Do you know me from my fingertips to the tip of my tongue? Can you tell me which way I will portray to step into each realm and come out the other end? Can you tell me where I'll be today? Do you know where I'll be tomorrow? Have you figured me out by now? Do you have any fucking clue? Will you ever try to hold me down? I fucking dare you! Try me! Remember, you know me. You knew who I was. You know what the fuck I am. So tell me, what more fucking time to my goddamn face? Where will I be tomorrow? Where the fuck am I right now? 'Cause I sure as hell don't fucking know. And if you ever want to tell me you think you know me, look in my eyes and tell me again.